Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to log into HubSpot Academy in 2025 and start accessing all their amazing free courses. Whether you're looking to sharpen your marketing skills, get certified, or simply explore new tools, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. Stick around till the end because I'll also show you how to set up your profile to get the most out of HubSpot Academy. Navigate to HubSpot Academy first, open your web browser, and go to the HubSpot Academy website. This is HubSpot's official platform for learning essential business and marketing skills. From SEO to email marketing, social media strategies, and the Sales Hub HubSpot Academy has courses designed for real-world application. Sign up for free courses. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign Up for Free Courses button and click on it. If you already have a HubSpot account, you'll be prompted to log in. If not, don't worry. Creating an account is completely free. HubSpot does not charge anything for signing up. Create your HubSpot account. If you're new, fill in the required details to create your account. You'll need to provide your name, email address, and a password. HubSpot may also ask for some optional details like your company name, industry, and role. This helps HubSpot recommend courses tailored to your needs. Complete your profile. After logging in, HubSpot will prompt you to complete your learning profile. Here, you can specify your industry, like marketing or sales, your role in the company, company size, and your learning goals. Be honest about your interests and motivations, whether it's advancing your career, staying updated with trends, or mastering specific skills. Completing your profile ensures HubSpot shows you the most relevant courses. Access courses. Once your profile is set up, you'll be directed to the HubSpot Free Courses platform. Here, you can browse all available courses, enroll in any course immediately, and start learning at your own pace. You can also earn certifications after completing courses, which are great for showcasing your skills on LinkedIn or your resume. And that's it. You're now ready to dive into HubSpot Academy and start boosting your marketing, sales, and business skills. All for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more step-by-step guides like this. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next video.